What's up, everybody? I'm TJ with TJsDestinations. I'm about to do an unboxing. This is from Fats and Tree. I've gone on their YouTube lives for the past couple of months. They host a show every Sunday at noon. That's Pacific time, my time, so I'm assuming 3 o'clock East Coast time every Sunday, and they have different giveaways and stuff. Fats and Tree, you have to check them out. Great people. As a matter of fact, about a month ago, they took a 14-day Hawaiian cruise out of Long Beach, California. Well, guess what? I'm in California. So I met up with them the day before the cruise. And you know how you can talk to people online and chat and all that, but meeting face to face is something totally different. Those two, man, yes, they're some great people. Check them out. Fats and Tree, they're on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. And so I won a couple of prizes, but this feels more than just a couple of prizes. Got a little weight on it. I received this package today. I'm like, I definitely have to get this out. Let's see what I got going on here. I'm like, is it Christmas time? I'm like, what's going on here? Alrighty. As a matter of fact, I believe they're on a Rocks and Bales cruise right now as we speak. All right, what? There's more than 2 items, Fats and Tree. What? Oh my gosh, you didn't have to do this. Oh man, got a Carnival VIFP hat. That's something new that they're doing for the Platinum and Diamond members. Okay. Got me a water bottle. Little thing right here to clip on your belt. Always good. Oh man, this is Christmas. What did you guys send me? Got me a pen. It's Fats and Tree on it. Oh yeah, these are good. These reusable straws, because those candy straws on Carnival, it gets all sticky. It's kind of cool right here. Reusable. Has even a little cleaning probe on it. I like that. Clean it out. Ooh, what else we working with? Oops. Oh no, you guys didn't. Wow. This one hits home. This one hits hard. They found out that I was a veteran of the Marine Corps. And they got me a Heroes Challenge coin. Carnival Challenge coin. Wow. This, and Veterans Day was just a week ago. Thank you. This is, that's good right there. That's class act right there. Thank you. Thank you. And it's going to go on my, I have a challenge coin showcase in there with all my military and law enforcement stuff. And thanks for thinking about me. Thank you. Okay. Bottle opener. I keep going opposite the camera. So bottle opener. It says, thank you for your support and appreciate all subscribers and members, Fats and Tree. A QR code for all their channels. Dang, there's a gang of stuff up in here. I wasn't expecting that, but guess what? Because I'm going on a back-to-back cruise in 2 weeks, and there's a lot of stuff that I don't need to get. Wow. So there's a little give back thing right here. And what do we got up in here? We got some Band-Aids. Always good to have those. Emergencies, definitely. Emergencies. Alcohol pads. some propels. Yeah, definitely gotta get your hydration on. You know, you're out there getting your drink on, boom, 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 boom. Especially at the sail away party, you're out there popping it, getting your drink on. Yeah, need to hydrate. Oh, they got my favorite gum up in here. Big Red, Big Red. Some Advil, some Alka-Seltzer. What is this? Some Tums for an upset stomach, eating all that guy's burger. And a bunch of little candies. Checkers. That's what I'm talking about. Checkers. It's an inflatable drink holder. That's good. Because I could use that in the pool. Right back there. A hair styling sponge. An inflatable candy. No jokes, no jokes, no jokes. Toothbrush holder. Dove Men's Care Ultra Face Hand and Body. Ding. For the pits. For the pits. For the dry skin. Just for the dry skin. I know I'm a solo cruiser, but just for the dry skin. Y'all got jokes? This is some great stuff. I mean, they sent me so much stuff. I'm like, what's going on here? Got me a portable fan. Oh, yeah. Especially I have some Caribbean cruises in August, or July and August of next year. So definitely gonna need that. Oh, okay. Stepping up my game. I got an electric toothbrush. Doing it easy style. Oh, yeah. You can never have enough lanyards. Bam. Oh, sooky now. That's what I'm talking about. Have me another drink. Straw here. Woo. Got me another fan. Oh, yeah. Eyeglass holder. Or a carrier. Holder, same thing, but boom. Okay. Uno. These are a must. Especially I'm going on a 14-day Hawaiian cruise next year. We're going to be slapping bones. Pow, pow. We're going to be hitting some Uno. Dang, Fats and Tree. Oh my gosh. Well, actually I can't see. It all came in a nice tub. And what's this tub filled with? Bam! Some candy. Some snickety snacks. Oh my gosh. Wow. Whew. I wasn't expecting this. Thank you. I'm new to the vlogging community. I've been going on cruises and all-inclusive since 2000, but I've only started vlogging about it since this year. And I've hit up Fats and Tree on advice and different things. And also some other vloggers out there. I've hit up you guys on the side on some instant messages and stuff to grow my channel and stuff. This traveling community, via cruising, all-inclusive, whatever, is a great community. Everybody's out there helping each other, giving each other advice. Again, I was only expecting this, because I won these two. I was expecting all of this. That's just great. Great people, class act. I don't know what to say. I'm lost for words. Hey, thanks a lot. And yeah. Safe travels back on your cruise. And also, again, reminder, check out Fats and Tree on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. And they have a group cruise in 2026. I will definitely be there. Whew. That's it for this unboxing. Thanks a lot, Cruising family. Thanks a lot, Fats and Tree. I do the hearts. Thanks a lot. I'm TJ's Destinations. I'm out.